In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Grammarly report. If you've ever wanted to create a detailed outline of your document's grammar and writing insights, staying tuned through this walkthrough will equip you with the know-how to easily generate and save that information. Let's dive right in. First, open up Grammarly to get started. Whether you're using the desktop application or navigating through your web browser, finding your way to Grammarly's main page is your initial step. Once you're logged in and ready, the next thing you need to do is locate the document you wish to generate a report for. It might be an important email draft, a critical report, or maybe a school essay. Whatever it is, make sure it's the correct document because your report will reflect the content present in this file. Now, with your desired document open, it's time to generate the report. This report is a compilation of Grammarly's detailed insights on various elements such as grammar, punctuation, and style suggestions. A truly invaluable tool for enhancing your writing quality. To move forward, look within the document window, and you're going to see three little dots. You might recognize this as the omnipresent options menu. Go ahead and click on it. Doing so should produce a drop-down list of additional options relating to your document. From the options displayed, simply select the one that says download or export. This is your cue to extract the analysis you've been working on. Upon selection, Grammarly provides you with file format options. In this case, you can choose between PDF or TXT format. If you want a polished, professional look, PDF might be your preferred choice. On the other hand, if you need a straightforward text file that's easy to edit, opting for TXT might make more sense. Once you've decided on your format, it's time to save the file to your computer. When you click your chosen format, Grammarly will prompt you by opening a Save dialog box. This is where you can pick the folder or directory you'd like your report to land. Give your file a name that makes it simple to locate later. Something like Essay Report or Grammarly Analysis could work well. Finally, click Save, and that's it. You now have a Grammarly report downloaded and saved right on your device. It's a structured snapshot of your writing insights, easily accessible anytime you need to revisit or share it. Remember, downloading these reports not only helps in improving the document you're currently working on, but also offers learnings for future writing endeavors. Thank you for watching, and happy writing.